Good morning, Mr. Zavalos. Mr. Zavalos, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you an 8-month deferred. Do you know what that is?
What he explained to me, probation, community service, lots of other things that
classes you'll have to do.
Right. A deferred is a type of probation that if you successfully complete it, you do not end up with a conviction on your record. You can't tell people it was dismissed. It wasn't dismissed. You merely completed the probation successfully, didn't end up with a conviction. What you need to recognize is that you give up almost all rights known by entering into this agreement. And you let us, and you give us the ability to put you in jail for an entire year if you violate this agreement. You can violate it by picking up a new case. Don't do your classes on time. Don't do your community service on time. If you test positive for drugs or alcohol, you violate this community service. Do you understand? I'll make you a deal though. If you do well, if you're nice to everybody, get your classes done quick and everything done quick, I'll take you off in half the time. So you could really be done with this in 4 months if you really kick butt. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to be understanding though if you fail to appear, if you pick up a new case, all bets are off. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you enter into this agreement, you are stuck with it until you complete it successfully or it gets violated. For you to complete this successfully, you must do a thinking for a change class. You must do a 4-hour anger management class. Which thinking for a change did you want? Were you thinking? You must also do 30 hours of community service. Do you have any children, sir? Tell me, how far did you get in school?
I just finished my semester last week.
In what?
What do you mean in what?
College or?
In college, yeah.
Great job. What are you studying?
Natural sciences while I'm still in community college, but when I get to the 4 year, I want to study kinesiology.
Let me ask you something.
Yes, sir.
Shh. What do you think this is going to do? Do you think this is going to hurt or help you?
I'm a firm believer in consequence.
What you need to understand,
No matter the perspective of the person who is being, punished or receiving consequence. I know myself pretty well, and I could say that it's definitely going to be a good stepping stone in regards.
Mr. Zavalos, what I want you to understand, when you are applying for jobs in the future, people don't know you. Even for you to step into the door, the only thing that people are going to look at, employers, they're going to look at, number one, your record. They're going to want to see who you are. And I'm going to tell you now, the more convictions you pick up, the worse it is for you. All you're doing is making life more difficult. Do you understand? I hope with this, you really take it to heart because we want to see you succeed. We want to see you be the best person that you can be. But convictions and criminal cases, no matter what happens, people will still use it. And you need to consider it. When you're out in the free world, self-control. Do you understand?
I understand. Yes, sir. I remember the last conversation, and I feel like I'm doing pretty well. He still heckles me. He tries to get a rise out of me.
Their neighbors judge.
But
You know what? Then it's never going to stop, Mr.
I
Zavalos.
understand.
You need to be the bigger man. And it sucks. And, you know, in life,
Step off the porch.
do you think that there are people who mess with me? You know, on a constant basis, on a daily basis, I have people that are always messing with me as well. You know, but I still try to do the best job I can. I do what's in my heart. I do what I think is right, and that's what you need to do as well. Shh. Mr. Zavalos, be the better man. You know, if you need to move, if you need to get away, you know, but even if they're still heckling with you, call the cops. Find another way. Don't take matters into your own hands. We don't want to see you fail. All right?
Thank you for your concern.
Well, we want you to be the best person you can be, really. So you're in college, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Read the shorter length, thank you for a change.
no, but my 30 hours of community service, as long as you're in school, I mean, that's great. Just great. Just better yourself. That's what, so,
So you wait for the community service judge?
yeah, I mean, if they're okay with it.
We're okay with that.
You know, just, look, the idea is that you learn and you don't come back, right? So, how old are you, bud? I'm gonna waive all your fines and fees. It's never about the money. Just do what you say you're gonna do it on time, and make the most of it, all right?
And there it is, the big twist. No fines, no fees. This isn't about draining his wallet. It's about proving he can walk the line. Imagine how different the justice system would look if every case worked this way.
Mr. Zavalos, how do you plead to the assault? Guilty or not guilty? I'm not gonna find you guilty. We'll withhold it for 8 months. Do what you say you're gonna do. If you ever have a problem, come back, talk to us. We're here for you. Good luck, man. You know?
Thank you very much.
So get your stuff done quick. We'll take you off quick and you're done, all right? all right.
Like receive word on like when I should start all that.
Shatori over there will tell you exactly what you need to do, all right?